Hello, today's session we are going to be focusing on the side of the leg and ankle to help alleviate a twisted ankle. I twisted my ankle a couple weeks ago and I've had to be doing all kinds of protocols to help alleviate that issue and the issues that are created from having that issue because you hold and you tighten your hips and your legs and you're limping, so you create a lot of issues out of the one issue. So you're always having to work on other things. Even if the problem was an ankle, it comes to other parts of the body. So we're going to be mainly working on three muscles, and that is the fibularis brevis and longus, which goes along the side of the leg here, and also on the abductor digiti minimi. They're along here. My issue was because my ankle twisted this way, not this way. It was from the outside. So I affected these and stretched these muscles because they're coming in down across and here and under. Always remember to relax. Find yourself in a nice relaxed position. Pull myself here on the side of the seat so I can get good pressure down into these muscles and along the foot in a nice position so I can be relaxed. Keep my lower back relaxed, not tensed up. Just be nice and relaxed, and also breathing. Lots of breathing, the breath and the air, bringing it to your lungs, goes into the blood, comes around your body and helps move the toxins out that are created by these issues. We're going to go ahead and start by just palpating along. That edge. And going all the way down along the edge here. Get a little bit better view here. Along the edge here. Okay. And already, if you have had that issue or you're having that issue, you're going to be feeling it there, I'm sure. So only go as deep as you can, depending how far you are along. But don't be afraid to work on it if it's hurting. You should work on it. These muscles. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get a little bit more deeper going along that edge. Always look at the pictures that I give you to see where it is exactly and get your mind's eye in there. It's amazing how when you really see it, see the body, see the muscles, you start to have another connection already. So I'm getting in there and really trying to get good pressure and going on it. Not so easy for me to talk here because I'm really feeling it. Whew. Always breathing. Oh. Always be exploring, don't stay in one place. Go a little bit down and check there. Everyone is different when they have these effects. They're going to mostly feel in that muscle, but maybe you feel it more on the top than on the bottom, or maybe you feel it more in the middle. Go ahead and spend more time in that area that you feel it the most. If you feel the shaking is too much for you, there's too much electric things going on, then maybe just do nice soft pressure. You explore yourself. Find out what's good for you. Don't be afraid to attack the area. Got to attack the area. Ooh. Yeah, a little bit of electric there. If I push it a little bit too hard, it's when it starts to get small, those guys. Tendon there. And coming along the bottom here. So let's go ahead now, work along the side here. Work on the abductor. If this hurts your ankle issue, you can always put some support also behind. Make yourself super comfortable, always when you're doing these things, especially when you have an issue. Be comfortable before you get into it. If you want to have pillows all the way around it, do it. But still, you can attack the area, but find a very comfortable place to be. Okay, let's go ahead. Work a lot more down here in this bottom part, because down here it's a little bit more easy and it's more fatty. Maybe for you it also hurts the most. Depending on how you twisted your foot there. For me, I'm feeling it here at the top the most here. So let's also get around the side of it and push it this direction. Push on the edge of it. You might see here on my foot I have a red spot. That is where the fibularis brevis attaches. Sure, that's the place I screwed it up the most. Or it's just a thin area, so the blood that might have came out from that twist, it's still showing itself. Still hasn't dispersed. And this, of course, doing the massage also will help those blood spots, the dead blood, help get them out. Always explore. Follow these videos for advice and seeing them, maybe do them a few times to make your own exploration. Here also just to make you stay at it. Don't just, if you would do it by yourself, maybe you would do it for 1 minute and quit. Just work on it. You can really work on it for a week. Sitting in front of the TV, watching something, and work on it. You'll really feel the benefits. You feel it right away. Next morning, wake up and you won't feel the pain there. Maybe after a day or two it comes back again, then just work on it again. Then you have this trick that you know, oh, I have pain there. All I have to do is do this and it will go away from sometimes. And then you can also go deeper because you're connecting and you'll go, oh, so I have this issue and what am I doing wrong? How am I walking wrong? My gap walk. Maybe I'm not pushing off properly all the way. Okay, one more deep round here. Ooh. Okay, now we go ahead and move around to the front here. Now the front area here I'm going to work is more in the ankle, and for me I've had many issues here in my leg. I've had from my surgeries here on my leg. I got debris in my ankle. I'm sure the accident also affected the ankle, even though they didn't spend any time because they were all here. And I have a programming or a neurofeedback loop that really locks my ankle up. So I'm going to really try to help work on that a little bit. If you feel like your ankle's locked up, this is also will be good for you. We get stuck so easily in our body. We get in one form of moving and we stay in it. And we have to always check ourselves and work on it and change it. To change it is even the harder part. To get out of this habit which is causing you pain. Of course, there's other things you can do as well as this. There'll be another video here that I will do my 4 or 5 main protocols when you twist your ankle. So always check those out as well as this. If you're feeling more pain on this side, you can try to look for some of the videos that have working on here. I don't have anything particular about an ankle sprain on that, but I've done a lot of work on this side because I'm always having to work with this knee issue here. And always remember, you are your body solution master, so do it as deep as you can and check and explore and look for your way to help affect this area. But connecting is the best way. Starting that connection, then everything goes from there. Follow a path, find the path, follow the path. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like, please share and subscribe and like. I am also doing some private sessions online. If you have other issues, lower back, my specialty, shoulder issues, just scroll down and you'll have more information on how to get in contact with me. And thank you so much for coming and check out all my videos. And have a great day.